Hi, Harry Lightfoot here from Berthon, and today we are doing a video walkthrough on board this really nice Sweden 45 SONGLINE. Hi and welcome aboard this 2004 Sweden 45 SONGLINE. She has had one owner since new, and the owner made sure at the time of build that she was highly spec'd for both blue water sailing and racing. And since the owner launched the boat, he has made sure to do both of these things. As we make our way back to the stern of the boat on the dock here, you can see the classic Sweden lines. She's absolutely beautiful sitting here in the water. Right on the stern of SONGLINE, got a nice swim platform that swings right down so you can get good access from your dinghy. The owner, again at the time of build, had a full carbon rig. This included the extra tall mast for more performance, as well as all rod rigging. One of the main things as we step on board SONGLINE, as you might have noticed already, she has brand new teak decking. In 2021 she went through a major refit, and this included the teak decking all replaced up on the east coast here in the UK. As you make our way forward to the bow, as mentioned, she's got a powerful rig. This includes 4 Jenicas, the retractable bowsprit that comes out there, as well as a cruising chute and a storm jib. As we just look back there, both the self-tacking jib and the mainsail were also replaced in 2021. Just on the starboard side there, you've got a carbon pole for your Jenicas. As well as the rig completely coming out, all clutches were replaced. We're just having a look down at the bow. A really nice new teak decking, which is lovely to see on a boat of this age that's just been replaced. As well as the clutches, all the rod rigging was done in 2021. Mast and boom were both repainted. Again, this was all done up on the east coast. Please have a look at that really nice shape of the Sweden. As we come back into the cockpit, these Swedens have a really nice size cockpit for the 45 feet. A really big wheel to give you good control in any seas. Excellent space. She's got plenty of winches for 4 electric. There's 2 oversized, both all Anderson winches, so the best in the game. As we look into this cockpit, 2 large cockpit lockers, loads of storage, all your lines. And on the starboard side, you've got another cockpit which is exactly the same size, getting fit fenders, lines, anything you fancy, as well as access to your generator. As mentioned, the rig is oversized, which makes it really powerful in any seas, especially if you're out, say, on a race day. And all the extra options of the Jenicas, you've got plenty of sails to play with in all winds. Having a look spin round here under the spray hood, all clutches by Spinlock were again replaced in 2021. So have one final look around that really nice cockpit, and that teak decking again has just been replaced. As we come down from the cockpit into the cabin, these Sweden 45s have a really good layout. You've got good 3-sized cabins and 2 heads. As we make our way forward into the master cabin, so on the port side you've got a good sized double, plenty of storage. Being one owner since new, she has been meticulously looked after over the years. All updates have been done when needed. Engine service, batteries replaced. Anything that's happened has been either sorted or replaced. Head our way back into the saloon. Got a nice sized chart table here, space for full size charts. Good saloon seating. Safe place to be while at sea. And you can comfortably sit 6 around there for dinner. As mentioned, the chart table and all the access to your electronics, chart plotters, ship's computer, nicely separated between this and the saloon. Plenty of clever storage, all these cupboards can fit all your needs for long distance sailing when needed. Plenty of space for all that important drink. In the forward bow, you've got this hydraulic jack, and at the mast of the foot for the compression as well. Again, just a really nice feature. If needed around the racecourse, you can play along with the backstay. You can play with the mast compression as well. So we make our back into the galley, got really good access up into the cockpit. Nice size galley for the size of the boat. Cooker, fridge, freezer. Again, nice good size. This owner, she's taken him across the Atlantic and back into the Mediterranean and up and onto the south coast of the UK. So she's certainly done plenty of sailing, proven track record. Back into one of the aft, you've got your cockpit cushions in there as well, good size aft cabin, nice and light throughout. Having a swing around, looking at that really good saloon seating, and again, very clever storage, all nicely, safely tucked away. As we just look into the day head, also gives access into one of the aft cabins here. Really good, plenty of storage. As we make our way back into the boat, she is highly spec'd. Your generator, water maker, slightly bigger sized engine. Songline really is ready to set sail again, especially with that recent refit. I'd say viewings are highly recommended.